Mama? 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 Where is she now? Mama? Mama? Chimo! Mama! 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 What happened to her? What happened to her, Mama? Where did you see her? Mama, what is wrong now? What is wrong? Chimo! Oh, Chimo! Please help me take her inside, Mama! Mama, what is this? Mama! Hey, what happened to my mother?
She fell down when she wanted to fetch water.
Fetch water? Which water, Mama? Which water? I was going to fetch water by myself. Oh, God. Brother, please, help me. Let's take her inside, please. Help me, oh. Help me, oh, Mama. Oh, Mama.
Mama, you should not have gone to fetch this water. You shouldn't have gone. Now look at what has happened. I'm not happy.
Mama, I'm sorry. I needed water. There was no water at home. I just wanted to help you. Because you went to fetch firewood, I said, okay, let me go and fetch water. I was strong when I left home. I don't know what happened to me. I don't know why I fell down. Maybe I lost strength.
Ndo, you'll be fine. You'll be fine, oh?
Mama, give me your hand. Anybody who causes you grief because you don't have anybody to fight or defend you will receive double portion of it. Always remember to be strong. Do not do anything that will make anybody pity you. Self-pity is a sign of weakness and failure. Always be strong. Anything you lay your hands upon must be blessed. In Jesus' name.
It's okay. Stop talking, eh? Don't talk again. Yeah? You're not feeling that. I mean, you're shaking. Mama, you're shaking. Why are you shaking? Eh? Ma? Mama? Mama, wait. Let me go and call Uncle Peter so that you look at you. You're shaking now. Eh?
It's late.
No. Wait. Just wait. I'll be right back. Oh? No, Mama. I'm coming. Oh? I'm coming.
It's too late. It's too late.
Mama,
She's sleeping. She was just shaking when I came. No, she got tired from the coughing. She was even talking safe. Sorry, Mama. Mama, sorry, oh. You'll be fine. Yeah, the Mama. Eh? Just a small fall. She's sleeping.
Mama is dead.
What do you mean Mama is dead? I'm telling you she was talking and she was shaking. I came to call you. Check her again. You check again. Uncle Peter, check again now.
She was already dead.
Uncle Peter, put this thing and check it again. Mama, wake up. Mama, don't do this though. Mama, don't do this. Mama, wake up. Hey, Uncle Peter, what are you doing? What are you doing? Open this thing. Open this thing. Give my mother medicine. Give her medicine to take. Give her medicine. Give my mother medicine. Mama, please wake up. Mama, please wake up. Hey, God. Hey, Mama. Give my mother medicine, Mama. Mama, please wake up. Mama, wake up. Wake up, wake up. Bro, come and teach me that yourself. Now, there you go.
You pay. Well, give me 2 minutes. You give me 2 minutes.
Yeah, come and teach me now. Oh, teach me. It's okay now.
Right, like this. Yeah, do like this. Do like this. Yeah, do like this. Like this. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
This one is not nice. Just teach me something that at least when I got.
Teach me one. You teach me. Teach me one. Dance and stop giving me that.
Oh, that is back. Oh, that is welcome. So that your face is like this. Adi, what is it?
And what happened? Why is your face like this?
Where am I going to start?
Adi, talk to us now.
Your grandma is dead. And the burial falls on me. Where am I going to get the
Hey!
Stop crying, please.
So my Linda, why would you do this to me now? Oh God.
Hey!
Hey, God, where do I start from? Hey.
Daddy, don't worry. We'll do it the little we can, okay? Don't worry. Stop crying.
Where should she go? Where should she go now?
That is okay, please.
Daddy, please don't cry. You should be happy that you're the one to bury Mama, not the other way around.
Thank you.
Okay. So, tell me, how are my sisters and how is Papa?
They are fine, except Daddy. Mama's burial is really bothering him. He's always thinking where to get money for her burial. And me, I don't have anything. The little place I'm managing, there's nothing coming from there. So the thing is really weighing him down. But as for my sisters, they are fine.
Excuse me.
Okay. You're back.
Here.
Onyinye, where did you get this from?
It's money that I've been saving to use and get into the university. And to achieve it, I've been saving small money from all the different businesses I've been doing. But Give it to Papa. Let him use it and bury Mama. It's about 130,000 naira. Okay? But please, do not tell him that it's from me. Please.
That means you're no more going to university.
It doesn't matter.
Don't worry. God will provide.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Let me get you food to eat before going.
Okay. Good evening, Dad.
Welcome.
What are you doing? What are you reading paper?
Trying to see what the papers are saying today.
Politicians. Daddy. Take, add it to what you have for Grandmama's burial.
Michael, where did you get this money from?
Daddy, a friend of mine whom I helped when I was serving my master, I asked him to lend me some money and he did today.
And how much is it and how do you intend to pay him back?
Daddy, is 130,000 naira. And I told you I will pay him back. I helped him when he needed my help. I'll pay him back, don't worry. He's taking time.
Thank you very much, my son. Thank you very much. God will certainly help us pay this money back.
Amen, Daddy.
It's okay. Thank you.
Thank you, Daddy. Daddy, smile now.
I will. I will smile.
It is well. Daddy, let me check up on my sister.
It's okay.
Mama, you were my everything. My everything. Now I have nothing. I have no one. God, why? Why? Why did you take my mother? Why did you?
Thank you, my daughter. Sit down. Anya, my daughter.
Yes, Uncle.
And there's something I want to discuss with you.
Okay, Uncle.
It is time for you to go and be staying with your father at Umunono village. As you know, your grandma is no longer alive. And you cannot be staying all alone in this house. You see?
No, Uncle, please. I can actually cope on my own. I can stay and I'll be fine. Please.
Onye, my daughter, it is not proper. You have to go and stay with your father, Gwebike.
She cannot stay in my house. She can't. Take her somewhere else. Let her go somewhere else. But it's for here, she cannot stay here.
Our in-law, Gwebike. The fact is that our wife, our own wife, your mother-in-law, that was taking care of her, is dead.
And Onyechi cannot stay in that house all alone.
Eh? Do I have water in my mouth? I said to you, she cannot stay in this house. Eh? Is that not clear?
No, Daddy. You can't do this. She's your daughter. Where do you want her to go to?
Will you shut up and get out of this place?
No, I can't shut up, Daddy. I can't shut up. This is getting too much. This is her house. She must stay. What is it, Daddy? She must stay. This is her house and she is your daughter.
Teresa! Teresa! Go. Teresa, are you the one that said Bukumpa? No. I was even looking for you to ask if you were the one. All the water drums are all filled up. Are you serious? See this one.
Good morning, my sisters.
Who are your sisters? Eh? See, are you doing all these ones for me to like you? See, let me tell you, stop wasting your time. There is no place for you in this house. You know your sisters. Sisters will wait with you.
I don't have your time. Maybe I'll get and go to work.
Hurry up, I promise. So please give me this one. So let's pray. In Jesus' mighty name. Father, bless this food we're about to eat. Bless the hand that made this food. Bless the mouths that feed from it. In the mighty name of Jesus.
Teresa, where's Onyenye's food?
There was no provision for her. The food wasn't enough.
How do you mean the food wasn't enough? Eh? And you not even make any provision for her. Onye did not eat yesterday night, yet she woke up this morning and did all the housework. Now you are telling me there's no food for Onyenye. Onyenye, take my food.
No.
I'll look for something next to it.
Don't worry, I'm fine.
Excuse me. Daddy.
Listen, both of you. I understand how you both feel about her. But please, don't let it get to food. Okay? Did you hear what I said?
Yes, Daddy.
Jovita, did you hear me?
Yes, Daddy.
Yeah, come on, join me and eat this food. Huh? I cannot be eating while you are not.
No.
Take. See, if you don't eat with me, I will not be happy with you.
Brother, don't worry. I'm fine. I'm not even hungry.
No. Yeah, take, eat. Eat, Onyinye. Take now. Stop. See, you are crying again. Yeah, sorry. Please eat. Please. Take now.
Hold on.
Onyinye, how are you?
I'm fine. Hey, I wanted to ask you where Papa's dirty clothes are because I want to wash them.
Daddy's clothes are not dirty now. They were washed 3 days ago. Just that they've not ironed them.
Okay, tell me where they are. I can iron it.
Can you iron? Do you know how to use electric iron?
I can. What is the meaning of that? I know how to iron.
Okay, see, they're inside his room on top of that chair. So when you finish ironing them, arrange them and put them inside his bus. Okay?
I will.
Hardworking girl.
Ezringeozi, who asked you to iron my clothes?
No, Papa, no.
My slacks. For how long I've had it? Did I ask you?
Papa, I'm sorry.
Now you bought my clothes. All because you want to please me. You want to please me. Now you're gonna head to Boba. You will leave this house.
Papa!
You must leave
I'm sorry. Michael, please take Papa. I'm sorry. It was a mistake.
It's a stupid mistake. You are leaving my house. Come on, take the house.
Mama, it was a mistake now. Allow her to explain herself now.
Please, I beg you, please. Michael, please, beg you for me, Papa.
Take it out. Go. Wait. Take it and go. Go away.
Mama, please, I'm sorry.
If you don't replace this trouser, don't bother coming to my house. Did you hear what I said? Take. Go with it.
She's not going anywhere. She's not going anywhere.
Will you shut up? Shut up your mouth. Shut up. Shut up. Just go. Garo, will you go?
Please, Mama.
Oh, yeah.
Mama. I'm sorry, Mama. Please, Mama.
You're not bringing those bags into this house. You're not going anywhere with those bags.
Will you get out of my room?
You're not entering anywhere. You're not entering this house with this bag. You're not entering. I will tell Daddy you're not entering this house. I will tell Daddy when he comes back. You're not entering this house with those bags.
Teresa, shut up your mouth. Parrot. Can't you just stay without talking? Use a blade mouth.
You're not entering this house. You're not entering. I will tell Daddy when he comes back. You see, I will tell Daddy. I will tell Daddy. Do what's that you said. You're pushing me because of that stupid girl. You're pushing me. When Daddy comes back, I'll tell him. Rubbish. Pushing me.
I'm trying to switch. They said it's 7,000 naira. I don't have money. I don't go up to borrow me.
See, Unye, how I wish I have the money. I would have given it to you. Okay, why don't you go and see Uncle Peter? He could give you some money. That if you tell him your dad sent you out of the house.
No. I don't want anybody to pity me.
Okay, fine. Tell him to borrow you some money. At least that will help. Please.
To lend me money. That sounds better. It sounds pretty much better.
Please, sorry.
Come with me, let's go and ask him. Please.
Sorry.
And I pray he gives me. I pray he gives me, or if not, I'm dead.
Oh, you will.
Please, that is the situation I find myself in. Borrow me this money, 7,000 naira to buy the suit. I will pay you back as soon as I do my usual small business. I can raise this money and I'll pay you back. It's a promise.
I'll pay you immediately.
Yes. You don't need to kneel down to beg me anything. You know that. Stand up. Stand up. Just hold down.
Okay.
How long?
Peter, thank you so much.
Oh my God, thank you.
God bless you.
Just be careful next time.
Yes, thank you.
We'll go and buy the suit right now.
Bye, thank you. God bless you.
Are you sure this is a new suit? Eh? Are you sure it's not a cricker?
Come and sit down there. Must you talk?
Will you shut up? Don't shout that now. Come, hold it. Not you, I'm not. Come, give it to him. Come, show. Bring it here. Come closer. Come.
It's a nice one. See the label.
What is the name? Does he have a name?
Yes, Daddy.
What is the name?
See, Mestro.
What's Mestro? Huh? I've not heard of such name.
This is a very nice one. It's even better than the other one.
What did you say?
I said it's good. Even the color itself is very good. Nice one, Daddy.
I check.
Now it's imported, Daddy. See.
I see. Take it inside.
Thank you.
Oye, what kind of rice was that you cooked? It's so watery. Will you call that rice so agidi? Or did you cook it for toothless people?
No, I'm sorry. I didn't know you wouldn't like it. It's usually the way I used to make it for Mama.
Shut up! Why didn't you ask question? Why are you bringing grandma into this? Oh, Nine. Oh, Nine, you want to fight me? Do you want to fight me, Onyinye? Do you want to fight me? Oh yeah, now. Fight me, Onyinye. Onyinye, come and fight me.
Yes, what?
Daddy, Onyinye wants to fight me. Onyinye wants to fight me, Daddy. I'm sorry. Look at her. She cooks rubbish in the name of rice.
You can't continue like this, huh? Stop letting Teresa and Juvita ride you in this house. This is your father's house. I heard what happened earlier today. You can't continue like this.
What would you rather have me do? Fight them?
Fight them! Fight them if that will stop them from maltreating you. After all, they are girls like you. Huh? If anybody should hit you, hit that person back. It's getting too much of all these girls. Stop crying. Please, this is your father's house. Huh? Come back here. I'm talking to you.
She's coming. Sister, I'm coming.
I'm so sorry.
You should be thanking this lady. She saved your child.
Auntie, thank you, Auntie. Thank you so much.
Madam, keep an eye on your child.
I will do.
What if this Oga was in high speed?
Thank you very much. Thank you. You saved me. Thank you.
You're driving. You look at the road now.
I will. Thank you very much. Please, where are you going to? Let me take you.
I'm going to my house.
Please let me take you to your house. Thank you very, very much. Thank you.
From the market.
Who was that man that dropped you off?
It's a man that I saw on the road when there was an accident and the small boy.
You saw where? You did what, Onye? Onye.
No! What is it?
Daddy, ask this stupid girl where she's coming from.
Where are you coming from?
Coming from the market.
Hey, she's coming from the market. What is it again?
Daddy, I sent this stupid girl to market since morning to buy me what I'll prepare for you before leaving for work. She went and stayed in a man's house.
No, Papa, that's not true.
You went to see a man?
No.
Daddy, a man dropped her off.
A
man dropped her off.
The man is just somebody that...
A man dropped you off?
Papa, no, that's not what it is.
In a keke komoto. Or keke komoto.
Big car, Jeep, big Jeep.
Come on in there. Come on in there. Put up some, get me some cake.
Papa,
Get me a cake.
Papa, that's not what it is. That's not what it is. I just met him. He was...
So,
Sir?
Where are you again?
No.
Eh?
No, sir.
Where are you again?
No, sir. No. Papa, hey. Papa, please. Papa, please. Papa, please.
Go get me my belt. Go get my belt.
Hey, sister, please. Sister, please. Papa.
Where are you again?
No.
At this age?
No.
At this age?
Belt.
Come.
Please, I beg you, please.
Lie down.
Hey, Daddy, please.
Lie down.
Daddy,
Come on.
please.
Lie down.
Lie down.
Daddy, please.
Come on.
Daddy, please.
Papa,
Papa, please, now, Papa.
You are not going to Come on. Imeli.
Teresa, if you see this guy, the guy is too handsome, tall. I saw him from afar, but the way he looks, he's very rich. The guy has money. If you see his car, not die.
Oh my God, Jovita, are you serious?
I'm telling you.
Hey, so where has this guy been since that we've not seen him in this village?
I don't think that guy is in this village. Maybe he came to visit someone or something.
So, how did we now meet him? You see that girl? You see that stupid Winnie?
That girl.
Hey, see, we've been in this village since and we've not met this kind of person. It's only keke drivers that used to come and look for us. Sorry, they used to come and look for you.
It's you.
They used to come and look for
Keke driver will marry you very soon.
So where is that stupid girl now?
You're asking me. Maybe she's in the guy's house.
Jovita, you need to buckle up. You need to sit up. You need to sit up so rich men will start looking for us. Not all those keke drivers that used to come and look for you.
Is keke driver married? Keke driver must marry you.
That guy is my spec. Keke will marry you. Keke will marry you. Which is my spec. Not be Keke. Chica, I can't continue living there. Look at me. Look at my body. See what a man I call my father did to me. Chica, are you seeing your friend? Are you seeing what they have done to your friend?
Oye, it's okay. Stop crying. How I wish my mother was still alive. You would have come to stay with us. Oye, you know how I've been suffering in the hands of my stepmother. But I believe all will be well someday. All I need to is to be good so that my dad can train me in school. So Oye, just be patient. All will be well, okay? Come, let's go to Uncle Peter's shop. Sorry. Come, let's go to Uncle Peter.
Hi.
Sorry.
Where's the bus? Where's the
I'm fighting. If you have a wound, if you fight again and come here, I will allow Shaitan.
Uncle Peter. Uncle Peter. Come. Sorry.
Onyinye? What is wrong? Who did this to her?
Uncle Peter, it's her father.
What? Her father did this to her? Sorry. Ndo.
Sorry.
How could the father do this type of thing to her?
I don't know, Uncle Peter. I don't know.
Come in, Onyi. Come in, sorry, Ndo.
Sorry.
Hey.
Oye, please, just take care of yourself, eh? Let me hurry up and cook for my dad. I'll be back. Alright. Just take care. I'll come.
Daddy, why did you beat her? Is Onyinye a child? Her mates are married. Just because a man came to drop her, now you have made her run away. Daddy, what do you want that girl to do to please you? If anything happens to that girl, Daddy, I will never forgive you.
Come on, get away from here, man. Suzuvugia. You told her. Get away from here. Idiot. You told him.
Are you still crying? Onye, it's okay. I brought you this food.
Check, look at. He raped me.
How do you mean? Who raped you?
Uncle Peter. Peter raped me. I have looked for him everywhere. I have searched for him. I didn't see him. I take virginity that I have been keeping. Virginity that I have been protecting. He took it. Take he took it.
How did this happen? How?
He gave me some pills to take. He said that they are pain relieving pills. And that part of the effect is that it will make me drowsy. I want to sleep. I took it. And I slept off. Only for me to wake up. Only for me to wake up. And this is my life. I think I'm finished. I'm finished. I'm finished.
So Uncle Peter gave you sleeping pills so he could rape you? God will punish him. God will punish him wherever he is. It's okay. It's okay.
Please, come with me to Umunoma. Please.
No. I will stay here. This compound belongs to my late grandma. I may not have access to the main house, but this is their compound. I'm safe here.
So that idiot thinks he can do this to my sister. If I lay my hands on him, I will strangle him. I will strangle him.
Onye, please go with your brother. This place is not safe for you. I don't want you to get hurt, please. Please go with him. Please.
Let's go.
Onye, please. Sorry.
So you came back in what you lost? Choma Jumwa. Choma Jumwa. In what you lost? In what you lost? Choma Jumwa. Hey. Hey, yeah. Hey. She came back. See, how would I? Oh my God! I would do like for your massive wife. I beg you.
Listen to me. See, Chika, you know me. You know me, I've never done this type of thing before. Bikoni. Chika, I don't know what came over me. I've never done this type of thing before. It was the devil that pushed me.
Oh, really? Yes. Devil? Well, go and beg the devil.
Chika, come on. Please now. I've been trying to reach Onyinye. I'm so confused. I don't even know what to do again. Please help me talk to Onyinye.
Come. If you dare come close to me again, I'll shout rape. Yes, and you know what that means. Rapist.
Oh my God. Who is this fresh boy? Is it the one Jovita was talking about?
Hello.
Hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine.
Is Onye at home?
Oh, yeah? No, she doesn't stay here. She only came for a visit and she's gone back to her village.
Oh, really? Please, can I have a number?
Oh, sorry. She doesn't have a phone.
So there's no way I can reach her?
Not at all.
It's alright. Thank you very much. What's your name?
Oh, my name is Teresa, but you can call me Tessie.
Tessie, it's alright.
Sorry, I don't know your own name.
My name is Dave. I'm a friend of hers.
Wow, it's my pleasure.
Alright. Teresa, I'll be on my way, okay?
Okay.
Thank you very much. Alright.
Take care.
Who was that?
Oh, his name is Dave.
Is that not Onyinye's friend? Is that not Onyinye's friend?
I don't know, Joe.
I know who I'm talking to. Onyinye.
Welcome.
How are you doing?
I'm fine.
That's good. I hope you're getting better.
Welcome. I'm getting better.
Okay. Or you get better, huh?
You're back so early. Is everything alright?
Yes, everything is alright. I had to come back early to check up on you. I hope you've eaten and taken your drugs.
I have. Thank you for the care. God bless you.
Thank you. You'll get better, huh? I think your friend Dave came to see you.
Dave?
Yes, Dave.
Hi. Let me get...
No, relax. He has gone. He was driving out when I came in. Yeah.
Hi.
Just try and relax, okay? Let me go and take my bath.
Okay.
Chika, please, ever since that day this thing happened, I've not been able to sleep. I've been having sleepless nights. And my conscience is even pricking me. Please, help me talk to Onyinye. Help me beg her to forgive me, please.
Why are you telling me? Why can't you go and apologize to Onyinye yourself? Come. Peter or whatever your name is. I won't warn you again. Leave me alone.
Chika,
do you understand?
Chika, please now. You are her best friend. Please now, you are the only person that can talk to her, please.
I said leave me alone. I won't warn you again. Shameless man. Nonsense. Rubbish.
Onyinye! Sister? What are you there? Come here. Onyinye! Come here. Onyinye! Why is this compound not swept?
I'm not feeling fine.
Come on, shut up and go and get broom and sweep this compound.
I would have swept it. It's just that I don't feel strong at all.
Are you still standing there? Come on, go and get broom and sweep this compound.
My friend, I brought you this.
Hey, Chika, thank you.
It's okay. You'll be fine. My friend, do you know that Peter has been disturbing me for days? Begging me that he's so sorry for what he did to you. But I didn't listen to him. This morning, I woke up to hear the news that his shop was burnt down. I'm fine. I'm telling you.
You see?
Not even a thing was brought out of the shop.
She will be okay. Huh? Okay. I think we'll have to take her inside. Let me give her an injection.
Okay. It must be a boy. I don't know.
She will be fine.
Okay. Oh, yeah, no, only find a messy, but let's do it.
Hope she has eaten today.
Yes, she has eaten.
Let me mix the drugs. Oh yeah. Let's take her. Why?
Doctor, what is happening now, Doctor? Why is she doing like this now, Doctor? What is happening to her now? I don't know what happened. What is happening now?
Wait, hold on. Madam, hold on.
Mama?
Doctor, what is happening now? Doctor, talk to me now. What is going on?
I don't know what I did wrong. She's dead.
What?
She's dead.
You killed my mother!
I did not kill her.
Doctor!
I did not kill anybody.
Mama!
I did not kill her. You were there when I gave her the injection.
You have killed her!
I
brought you here because she was just having cold. Cold! You ended up killing her.
With me inside. I just gave her the injection.
You gave her the injection and she's dead! She's dead!
I don't know what happened though.
You don't know what happened, Doctor! You don't know what happened!
I don't know what
You don't know what happened! Wake up! Do something now! Do something! Do something, Doctor! Do something! Do something! Just tell me that you don't know what happened! You will know me. You will know the kind of person I am. Open.
It's a 7-bedroom. Okay. There's one living room upstairs, another one downstairs, and all the bedrooms are in suite. And it also has a porch box. The asking price was 2.2.
Hey, Oga, it's very costly. But I like it. I like it, it's good, but it's costly.
It's okay, but that's what the owner says we should give it up. All the bedrooms are empty. Teresa, what is it?
Daddy.
What is it?
Jovita called me from the police station. She has been arrested.
What? For what?
They say someone is missing in their company and she's in charge of the sales. They say she knows what happened to the money.
Is everything okay? Mr. Joe, I have some emergency to attend to now. I have your number. I'll call you later. Is everything okay? Everything is okay.
Daddy, you know me. Daddy, you know me, Daddy. Daddy, I didn't do it, Daddy. Daddy, I'm innocent. Daddy, I didn't do it, Daddy. Daddy, take me away from here. Daddy, please. Daddy, please. Daddy, I'm innocent. Daddy, I'm innocent. I'm innocent.
I know, my daughter. I know you didn't do it. Okay, stop crying. Stop crying. I'm going to go and look for money to bring you, okay? So they said we must produce the 100,000 that was missing. I pleaded with the manager, but he wouldn't listen. Rather, he told me that the owner of the company is in the country and is also aware of the case.
So what are we going to do now, Daddy?
That's my problem. But you see, I have this friend in a Zoro community who says he knows the owner of the company. I am thinking if I should go to him to take me to the owner of the company and plead on my behalf and see if the man will have a change of heart.
That is a good one, Daddy. But are you sure it will work?
My son, Ndocha, there is no harm in trial. We will try. If he fails, we'll do for another. Son, I'm ready to go now.
Should I come with you?
No. Stay behind, okay? And take care of the hall, okay? Okay. I'll be back early. Okay.
See you, Johnny.
And you have to tell your sisters, okay? Let them keep the compound. You can see it's very dirty.
Okay, Daddy.
Sweep everywhere.
Okay. I take it easy.
Yes. Are you his relatives?
Yes.
Yes, I'm his son.
His daughter.
Okay. There is an urgent need for blood transfusion. As a matter of fact, we don't have any in our bank now.
Doctor, please, however you will serve this, you can save this man's life. I will settle the bills. Please.
He'll pay.
Doctor, take my blood. I will donate.
Okay, come with me. His blood matches with his father's.
Oh, thank God.
But he cannot donate.
Why?
There are traces of hepatitis in his blood sample.
Doctor, how about you test me? I'm his daughter and I can donate.
Don't be scared, right? Just calm down.
He took my blood. He took my blood. I am a match.
Sorry, Tyler.
Bring that.
My father is currently hospitalized, and my sister, as we speak, is in police detention. I don't know what is going on, eh? Hey.
Oh yeah. That is why it is not good to do evil. If someone had told your father that you would be the one to save his life, he would never have believed it. Now see, all the people that treated you bad are now in one trouble or the other. That reminds me, Peter has been sentenced to 20 years in prison.
Jesus. What did he do?
He killed Mrs. Izu with injection.
Well, that serves him right.
Yes. He got his punishment for all the things he did to you. Oh yeah, my friend. God. You see this God? God is not asleep. He is watching.
Mama. Give me your hand. Anybody who causes you grief Because you don't have anybody to fight or defend you, we receive double portion of it.
I forgive Peter if he's suffering as a result of what he did to me. God, I already forgive him. Hi. Sorry, Dave, you can't go inside with us.
Why?
Have you forgotten? Have you forgotten? Have you forgotten is the reason Papa almost killed me?
Okay, it's all right. Just go, let me wait for you here, okay?
Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. Good afternoon, Daddy. How are you doing?
Papa, good afternoon.
Michael, how are you?
Daddy, we are fine. How are you feeling today?
Well, I'm getting better.
Okay.
I hope you didn't tell Jovita about my accident.
No, Daddy.
Good. Have you been to see her?
Daddy, we've not gone since yesterday because of the accident.
Why? No, that's not good enough. You should have gone to see her. You know how she's faring now.
Okay, Daddy. Okay. Ini, please stay with Teresa and look after Daddy, okay? Let me go.
No. What we should be doing here? You can go with her, okay?
Okay, Daddy. Ini, let's go.
Sorry, I'll call you back. Why are your faces like this? Is anything the matter?
Our daddy sent us to the police station.
Police station to do what?
Our sister was arrested.
Jesus Christ. Arrested for what?
Some amount of money was missing in her working place and they said she stole it.
Oh. You know what? Let's go there now, please.
Oh, you'll take us there?
Enter the car, let me take you there. Let's go. It's all right. Sure. How are you?
Fine.
Who are you here for?
Sir, we are here for one Miss Jovita
Igwe. Yes. Oh, welcome. See, I can't release her on bail unless I hear from the manager. Where is the manager? I can get him on phone. Please do that. Mr. Tim, what are you doing here?
Chairman. Good day, sir.
Good day. What are you doing here? Yeah, he's the manager of the company. He's my manager. I'm the owner of that company. Wow.
He's the CEO of the company.
Oh, Tim, this is the case you told me about.
Yes, sir.
IPO, please, I want this case closed now. Why not? Constantly.
Sure, sir.
Can't get Dikeh.
Okay.
The doctor said I'll be discharged in 2 days' time. Michael, you have to help me thank your friend, because he has cleared all my hospital bills. The same friend of yours who bailed your Vita out from police detention. Help me thank him. God will bless him.
He's not my friend. He's Onyinye's friend. Same Onyinye. The one you hate so much.
The one you never wanted to set your eyes on.
Right from birth. It may interest you to know that the same Onyinye that took all this from you was the same person that donated blood for you, Daddy. Yes. Yes.
Mr. Dave is really a godsend.
Yes, he is. Look at the way he just helped us in the blink of an eye. That man is good though.
I'm doing it. She has a good heart.
Yes, and I told you before now. I told you.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, Michael.
Nini, how are you?
Fine. Jovita, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, my sister.
Michael, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Good. Jovita.
Sir.
You resume work on Monday, Jovita. We now know those that stole the money, and they've been arrested. Okay?
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, the company will pay you for the embarrassment they caused you. Your salary for this month will be doubled, and I'll make sure that your salary is increased.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome, you're welcome. Michael, do you have an international passport?
No, sir, no.
It's alright. I'll arrange one for you for a broad trip. You travel abroad.
Oh my God.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Yeah, you're welcome. It's okay. I'll leave you people. Take care of yourself.
Bye-bye.
Mr. David, thank you very much. Thank you very much for everything you did for me and my family. Thank you.
You're welcome, sir.
God will bless you. God will bless you. God will bless you.
Thank you.
Oyi.
Sir?
Oyi, my dear daughter. Oh. Please forgive me. Please forgive me for everything I have done to you. For my behavior towards you. All my attitudes, wrong attitudes I meted out to you. Please forgive me. Oh God. It was a mistake. A mistake I made. But I didn't realize it was a mistake. It led to my stupidity. It led to my stupidity. The same stupidity that crumbled everything I had. My business, all my ambition, my children's future were mortgaged, all because of this mistake. God, I hated your mother. I hated your mother so much. When, as a matter of fact, I showed her, it was that same hatred that I transferred onto you. Same hatred that I transferred onto you. My dear daughter, I'm your father. You're my child. These are your sisters. Please, forgive us. Forgive us. This whole thing that happened has taught me one lesson in life. That what we cannot change, we should accept and live with it. What we cannot change in life, we should accept it and live with it. I'm sorry, my daughter. I'm sorry.
Mama taught me to face whatever challenge that comes my way in life. I forgive you. And I love you. I love you.
Wow. Oh, my dear daughter. My dear daughter.
Please forgive us, we're sorry for everything. We're sorry, please forgive you. So are my sisters, I forgive you. Thank you.
too sweet.
Thank you.
Can you turn around, please? Let me see you. Wow. Maybe you look ravishing, honestly.
Thanks.
You're beautiful.
Thanks.
Honestly, I can't wait to say I do. Come on. You know I love you. I already see you as my wife. Oh, don't you feel the same way? Come on. Huh? Baby, I love you seriously. Okay, come. Let's go, please. Come on.
Ofu mbọsị ọnụ kwuru